All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're in the trailer. It's been a minute since I kind of get an update on my trailer and the progress. We're not as far along as I thought we would be, since April was the last time I think that I showed you guys right before we went to Mini Trucking Nationals, like putting in the shelving and stuff. I thought I'd have this whole trailer painted and better organized and all that. We have not even had time to touch it. I've honestly been so busy with like other shows, busy with school because I'm finishing up my master's degree right now, so I've been kind of swamped with that, and then just getting merchandise ready for the show we're going to tonight, Southeastern Truck Nationals. And like, we're taking a lot of merchandise down there, but I was able to put in some more of the shelving. We still have a ton of stuff to do in this trailer, but I did add a few more shelves up here. I have all of the shelving done all the way across right there. You can see right there, I got a bunch of merchandise and bags and stuff down there right now for the show for the weekend that we're going to. We do still have all the grid wall hanging hooks and everything up there, which grid walls are on the floor right now, but that side's pretty much done other than like painting it. We did hang something in the back there just to hang koozies, so at least I can hold like 50 koozies back there now. And now we're still working on the front of the trailer, so I got these 6 I ended up putting up, that way I can at least just like hold hats in there. So I got about 200 hats or so sitting in there. I finished up this side right here. That's my like bed that I sleep on or whatever in here. But we've got this whole area done, and then I was able to finish up this side right here, some more hats and stuff. But I still have probably like another 8 shelves or so to put up. So I think what we're gonna do next is take these and like my strap bags and all that stuff down, and then just put another row down here across on top of the spare tires that I have. And that's probably as much as we can fit, or I may also take down my 10x10 tent and just do another row all the way down to the floor there. I kind of have to like pick and choose where I put all of these like little cubes at, because there's still a truck that goes in here, so like everything's got to stay up high here, and then everything else pretty much forward from here over is where I can keep stuff. So I'm gonna start filling all of the wall and everything down here with shelving, and that's about as much as I can do just because I do haul a truck in here still. So we got to get a little creative, but it's coming along good so far. Mini Nats was like the first like real show that we actually like used all the shelving at, and it worked really good, but I need more, honestly. I mean, you can see like all of these shelves right now, for the most part, have something in them, and I still need to put more shelves in. And those are like all my t-shirt design styles, and I don't even have everything stocked right now. I just brought like all the classic truck stuff for Southeastern Truck Nationals, but I'm gonna need more shelves just to fit more of the designs. And I think I have about 6 more designs coming out this year that we're gonna have to also put in here. So it wasn't enough room like I thought. We got all these black bags down there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 black bags, like duffel bag looking things on there. Those are all hoodies. So I don't even think I'm gonna be able to put hoodies in my trailer. Not that I carry those really at every show anyways, because it's really only good for like winter time. I might sell a hoodie here and there, but it's not something like we're gonna be taking to every show. It's mostly t-shirts and hats, so it's not that bad. I'll probably just leave the hoodies in the bags and just keep them stocked in the back of the trailer, so that way when somebody wants one, I can just grab one out of the bag and go, because that's not something we're restocking every show, versus like this square body shirt that I know I'm going to go to Southeastern Truck Nationals for, and that whole stack's going to sell out for it. And I'm slowly like building more of each design, so you can see like my Valley Vibes design, I have like a couple of each size left, and then I'm gonna have to get another 72 of those reprinted. But every time I drop like a new design, like our new patina design we just dropped, I only print like 3 of each size, just to see if the shirt is gonna move or not first before I go like print 72 of them. So I always do that with every shirt. So I have like my new square body like smoker shirt. We're trying that out for the first time at Southeastern Truck National, so I have only 2 of each size. That way if it sells, awesome, I'll restock a big amount of them. If it takes a while to sell it, at least I didn't sink a bunch of money into it. we just restocked all the square body shirts up there. I've got the Enigma shirt right here we're restocking. We got a really cool design that we're working on right now that's about to get released. It won't be for Southeastern Truck Nationals, but it will be for probably Patina Party. The design, they said about 3 more weeks until we get it, and then I gotta print it. So we might bring it out for Patina Party. If we don't bring it out for that show, it's definitely gonna be at Rad Rides in the Park. And then I have a VW Bug that's getting done next, and that one's definitely coming to Rad Rides in the Park. So we'll keep adding designs and keep adding hats. We've been really stepping up on our hats lately. Like, usually I started out bringing like 40 hats to a show, but I was just selling out of them so quick. So now we're at the point where we're stocking about 200 hats, which is good. We're growing. That's a good thing. So that's pretty much it. Outside of the trailer, stuff still looks the same. And yeah, it's everything's loaded up. So like I said, yeah, outside the trailer looks the same. Nothing to show you guys on that. But yeah, let's head to Tennessee. I do have 2 videos coming for you guys this weekend. Like I said, Southeastern Truck Nationals, that's where we're headed to. So I'm going to do a vendor recap of the show because I've never been a vendor there. So I'm going to document my experience slinging hats and t-shirts at that show. And then of course I'm going to show you guys the 2,000 trucks that are there. So I'll do a full separate recap of just the show itself. Try and find some time, like an hour or so, that I can lock up the trailer during the show and go walk around and actually film. It takes so long just to walk around that show. Hopefully I can get it all done in an hour, and I'll show you guys all the awesome rides there. And then yeah, we got about a 6-week break after that before the next truck show, which is going to be, like I said, Patina Party, August 31st. We'll do a recap for that. But the week after we get back from Tennessee, we have something here local that I'm going to go up as a spectator for, just to show you guys. Really cool show, hosted by DJ Envy, actually, and it's the Drive Your Dreams show. We're not going to bring the C10, even though I registered it, but I'm just going to go as a spectator, walk around and show you guys. Like, there's a lot of really cool cars, high-end cars that are going to be there, celebrity rides and stuff like that. And yeah, that's it. But I appreciate you guys checking in on the progress of the trailer. If you guys have some ideas for the trailer or things that work well for you as a vendor, or yeah, just anything that you think would work good, drop the comments down below. And then as always, hit that like button, drop some comments, and hit that subscribe button. Subscribing to my channel really helps me out as we try and grow it. I know we're small, only 20,000 subscribers on here, so we're trying to ramp that up this year and get more watch hours on the long form videos, since I post like shorts and stuff every day. So every minute watched counts. I appreciate you guys.